Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles out of recycled boxes from your kitchen. It's quite straightforward and easy once you know how to do it, so have a look at this video and good luck. So for this project you will need an egg box, paper roll cut in half, googly eyes, paint, tape and craft felt for the eye mask. We taped the paper roll on top of the egg box and then we painted all the parts. And once the paint dried, we taped on the legs and the arms. This artist chose to make Leonardo, so we cut out a blue eye mask from felt. And then last but not least we glued on the googly eyes and painted a mouth. That was super easy and quick, wasn't it? If you like this video, please like and share, subscribe, hit the subscribe button down there. I post usually videos once a week, so stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, one last thing. I said thank you for watching all the way till the end of the video. I want to reward you by making a crafting video of something that you choose. So comment below and I'll make a video just for you. Thank you again for watching. Bye.